So I see a lot of people do like effects and filters. You know, can you tell us the difference between an effect and a filter? Why would you use one? Should you use them? Is it a sign of being more professional and polished, or do you prefer a little more raw and authentic videos?
It depends on the effect and filter. Some effects and filters are trends that like everybody is doing. There's one actually. I think it's only in Snapchat. I've only found it in Snapchat. Right now, people are doing, which is like a sad face. Like you could be smiling, looking at the camera, and it literally makes it look like you're crying, and it's just a funny effect. So that's a trend. So people are doing it. It's hot right now. It's gonna get attention. Um, Filters or effects can be, let's delete this, discard that. So one of my favorite effects is like putting a green screen picture or video as the background. I'll use this one. Now I know the screen on my phone screen looks like it's a little laggy again, but it should catch up shortly. And basically, you're just putting a picture or a video, which could be a screen recording. I like to do like screen recordings, scrolling on a screen that I'm talking about, and then you're standing in front of it, so you don't have to worry about what your background looks like, and it like breaks up the image for someone that's viewing. And so I think that's what effects and filters can do for people. They can just shake up a little bit of what the viewer is experiencing. Other effects that I've used, I'm looking at our favorites right now. There's an inverted one. So when I wear my Digi hat, if I forget to click the inverted filter, it will say Digivangelism backwards. And if, oh, there it comes, it's catching up. So you'll be able to see this green screen. So that's me clicking on our bookmark ones right now and picking a green screen. You can select from your photos. You can open up your whole camera roll. There we go.
I see a little person like pulsating up there. Is that where your head's supposed to be?
That's saying that you can, that's pinching. It's showing that you can pinch yourself and make yourself smaller and move yourself around. So I can make myself as small as like the D in digital ministry, and I can move myself right over there, or I can make myself big, take up the full screen. There. Okay, so now I'm looking through filters, I'm scrolling through, and you see that little sad face there? Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So that was me when I was talking to you. You'd never
awesome.
know, right?
No, not at all.
Very
So realistic.